As we gear up for this storm, we're pretty used to plenty of salt, snow, and ice, but there is a hidden danger you may not know about. That exact combination is being blamed for a tragic death. A dog in New York City was just electrocuted and killed after stepping on a metal plate. Turns out it can happen after a major snowstorm if the salt used to melt the ice seeps underground. So to break it down for us, we are bringing in Oswego Fire Chief Randy Griffin. Thank you for joining us this morning. So what actually happens here? Tell us how can salt become an electrical issue?
Usually it's over time as the electrical wires corrode. Unlike water or gas, where it's readily apparent when there's a leak, you'll know when there's bubbling water in the street, or with gas, there's an additive added to it so you smell it. So you call the utility or the fire department, we come, we use detection equipment and find out exactly where it's coming from. With electricity, it's different. You don't know it's there. There's no additive that we can add. We can sense it once we locate where it's close to and determine exactly where it's coming from. But outside of that, stray voltage is a problem that occurs really all over the country. Anytime you have buried lines.
So what concerns me a little bit about that is that you say it happens over time. So is this as winter progresses, the chances of something like this happening becomes even worse, or with every winter storm is there a risk?
It's not necessarily the winter storm, but as water and salt stay or penetrate the ground and get on those wires, they begin to corrode. And over time, they deteriorate, allowing stray voltage, allowing that voltage to escape that insulation. And when it gets to things that conduct electricity, like fire hydrants, fences, things like that, metal grates, it can energize those grates. So it's really something that occurs over a period of time. And the salt and water help to perpetuate that.
So as you're walking your pets this winter, are there any major signs, anything obvious if you don't have that smell that a manhole or grate is charged, or should we just try to walk around all of them?
Yes, so I think that's the best bet, is to try to avoid, there's no need to contact a thing like a fire hydrant or a fence. Don't do that. In this particular case, there was a metal grate over a construction area. Anytime that you see barricades, anytime that you see, in this case, it's arguable whether or not there was sufficient barricades, but if you see barricades, try to avoid those. Generally, these types of things occur when those wires are closer to the ground, where somebody's digging a hole. So anytime you see barricades like that, or you see fire trucks operating, utility trucks operating, don't get near them, don't touch them, because you can be contacted by electricity.
All right. Oswego Fire Chief Randy Griffin, thank you for your time. I never knew this was a hidden danger, so I really appreciate your insight and advice. Avoid those manholes and grates and barricades. All right. Thank you so much.